Baby Pet Protector for babies and adults. It is waterproof, breathable, washable, comfortable, and made with super soft fabric.
It stops the urine or any liquid from getting into your mattresses and dries faster as the fabric layer promotes the removal of water vapor. Advantage of BeyBee Reusable Dry Sheet.
Holds 8 times water, 100% waterproof and absorbent. Diaper-free nights. Reusable, economical and durable. Skin-friendly and heat-free soft fabric. Machine and hand washable. Alternative to PVC mats, Rexon sheets and rubber sheets. It is recyclable and made with organic colors. Protect against allergies, human skin cells from dust and dander. Bacteria-free and highly hygienic BeyBee Dry Sheet. Ideal for babies or during menstruation or pregnancy period or elder people.
Available in 5 different sizes: small, medium, large, extra large, and queen size. BeyBee Dry Sheets are available in 18 color options. Other range of products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Paytm Mall, FirstCry.com.